Welcome viewers. Actually, I haven't created any script for this video, but this video is very close to my heart. Now, this is regarding India's most largest industry, that is IT industry, and I feel that Indian IT industry is broken. The interview process itself is broken, and once you once you get a job in an IT industry, that is also broken. Now, I'll tell you how. Now, let's say you have got into an IT industry or in a big MNC, like top 4 MNC or top 5 MNC. Now you got an X amount of package. Let's say you have got around 20 lakhs of package. Now you first of all, if you got a project while you got into that company, then it's well and good. Now if you haven't got, then again they will take 2-3 rounds of interview. Now if you have a project, then after some months, let's say after 8 to 9 months, when that project will exhaust, when and that project may abruptly go off because of multiple reasons. Even client will say that okay, we are opening a new GCC kind of stuff, so you people can go. Now even if your performance is good, they will tell that okay, you have to go. Okay, now you are on bench. Now when you are again on bench, then again you will appear for interview, and those interviews are not recorded. And if those interviews are not recorded, and let's say you haven't got selected, now why I'm saying this is completely broken. Now again you will appear for 2 to 3 rounds of interview for client, and client may reject your interview process because of some unknown reasons. Now it becomes a very difficult to reappear interview again and again, even if you are in the same company. Now this is, I feel, it's a very broken system which is exactly there and which we can't fix actually. Now this is regarding when you are inside a company. Now let's say you are not inside a company, you are looking a job, you are out there in the market, and you don't have any job and you are not getting any salary. Now how those interviews will be taken? Now I am saying this is from a programmer's point of view. Let's say you are appearing the interview for Python. Okay, because Python is very famous nowadays, so I will take an example of Python. Now when the very moment when you say that you are applying for Python, the first question the first thing that pops up in the other party's mind, that Python means a problem solver. Now Python comprises of two things. One is the syntax, which is a very high level, and basically Python programming is nothing but an API call. Now those who know Python, let's say we are trying to sort a dictionary. Now sorting a dictionary without inbuilt Python libraries is difficult. It is not impossible, but it is difficult. You have to write the whole sorting algorithm from scratch. Then you have to apply some other functions on it. Then only you can do that. Now let's say you have written Python in your CV and you are sitting in an interview. Now what they will ask? They will obviously ask you the syntax of Python. Syntax of Python means the grammar of Python and algorithms. Now when it comes to algorithm, they can ask you anything. Let's say there can be around n number of problems. When I'm saying n, means it can be 1,000. Like there are 5 to 6 sorting algorithm, there are linked list, there are single linked list, there are double linked list. I mean, you name it. There are moving window problem, recursions are there, and they can see in HackerRank or any other competitive website where this kind of problems are there. It can be a number, it can be thousands. Now out of those thousands, which one you will get in the interview, no one knows. And moreover, they will ask you to do that code in normal notepad. Now problem is not that why they are asking from HackerRank. Problem is that when you are in a company, you will search Google and you will do that job. But when you are out there in the market and applying for interview, during that time they will give you questions from HackerRank, sometimes from AI, and you have to do that one without using any VS Code or any proper IDE. Now when in Python, if you don't have IDE, it is not possible for one human being to remember thousands of functions that are present inside Python. Now obviously let's say that very same example which I was saying, that let's say someone has given you that how to sort a dictionary. Now sorting a dictionary without inbuilt Python functions is not possible. So how will you do that? You can't do that. Because only when you can do that, because if you had remembered those APIs, those Python APIs, then only you will do that. Similarly, if you want to extend a dictionary, now under dictionary there are around 20 associated functions. Now it is not possible for a human brain to remember all the associated functions for list, tuple, dictionary, and all the Python libraries. One day, one interviewer asked that you have to write a code of Airflow. Now, who the hell on earth remember the code of Airflow? This means he was expecting that someone should rot learn the code of Airflow. I mean, so that's what I'm saying. The interview process itself is broken, and the whole IT industry is broken. Now, why it is broken in India? There are two reasons. One, huge population. Every time when one candidate leaves the company, or he is forced to leave, the company knows that there are again n number of people waiting in the market to do that same job. So they have that guts, and they also know that the work which we do, that doesn't carry any brain. It's a no-brainers work. So they love to terminate people, and as we are in India, we are competing with lots of jobless people, and it becomes a problem. And then again, this Python and this technological issues are there. So please let me know in the comment section if this video has reached out to you, and I would like to share my experiences more on this channel. Till then, thank you.